Hello, the history hikers are back again. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are standing in front of, what was it?
Kloster.
So it's a old Abbey church in the town of Wolf in Rheinland-Pfalz.
Yes, very good. You know you're German. But
it's difficult, I'm more a French guy. Yeah, it's looking impressive from here. Let's go check it out. In this video you can admire the beauty of the monastery of Wolf in Traben-Trarbach. And if you remember our video on Montreal, Wolfer Kloster was the little dot in the distance we teased.
the Liebfrauenkirche, or Church of Our Lady as it was first known, is one of the oldest parish churches in the Mosel Valley. Located in the old hamlet of Wolf, it stands proudly on the Göckelsberg at an altitude of 230 meters.
In the early 15th century, a collegium of altarists was founded here. An actual monastery was founded in June 1478 as the Counts of Sponheim summoned friars from Butzbach to Wolf. From then onward to 1560, Wolfer Kloster was a house of brethren of the common life.
This religious movement was a starting point for the modern devotion. They sought a spiritual revival against the deterioration of clerical life and the coarsening of popular morals. The members did not take monastic vows, though, in order to prevent hindrance by the church hierarchy, many communities adopted the third rule of St. Francis.
The consequences of the Reformation, as well as the construction of a new church in the village centre, were the reasons why the monastery on the hill fell into disrepair from 1685 onwards.
Little has survived of Wolf Monastery. Of the former Liebfrauenkirche, the ruins of the Romanesque West Tower from the 12th century and parts of the three-bay nave and choir dating to the 15th century remain.
A very nice looking ruin, but sad that we couldn't enter. Seems to happen a little too often for us.
It's understandable.
Safety first.
Stone falls on our head.
No more history hikers.
There's like this little part that was accessible and yeah, nice.
Yeah, nice views. Alright, we're the history hikers. Thank you for watching.
If you have enjoyed watching this video, like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. How long are we going to wave?
And stop.